Today I'll be reviewing and unboxing these Ballet pointed toe shoes. First and foremost, I would like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check them out. I actually got these in 3 different colors. Take a look. This is the black one. Super nice knitted material. They're nice and pointy. This is what the bottom looks like. On the inside, as you could see, it does have some cushion. So they are nice and comfortable, the cushion on the inside. Let me go ahead and show you the other 2 colors that I got. So these are the black ones. They all come in a box. They do come wrapped like this just to prevent them from getting any scuffs. These are the brown ones. I like that these are super versatile, so you could wear them with jeans, pair them up with some nice slacks, a skirt, leggings. Very nice material. Look at that, the cushion on the inside. Then it is nice and stretchy. This is what the back of it looks like. It does have like a little padding back there. And I also got them in the color red. Absolutely love the material. Super nice, amazing quality. Look at the stitching on the side, how flexible and stretchy they are. The pointed ballet style flat. Super nice. And my favorite, the cushion on the inside. So if you're looking for a variety of ballet pointed shoes and you would like a variety of colors to choose from, then definitely check these out. The quality is amazing. They are nice and comfortable. Overall, I would definitely recommend.